guys, today I will be unboxing the Ninja air fryer. Yes. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
I've always wanted an air fryer and now it's here. So let's open it.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, it was very inexpensive. I thought that it was a good deal. Got it from Amazon and the reviews were great. Okay, here's a look.
Wow. Ninja. I couldn't read it. Ninja air fryer.
Yes.
I want to Ninja air fryer.
Guilt-free food. So guys, if you want to change your way of eating and cut out the deep fry food in oil,
What?
I suggest that you try an air fryer because this is my whole purpose for getting an air fryer.
Mama, what?
We love fried chicken, so this is the way to have it, the healthy, guilt-free way.
Well, you make it great video.
Alright, so this is at the top. This is the instructional manual. Alright. It comes well secured. Styrofoam to protect it. Wow. Wow. It looks big. Looks big. I hope it doesn't take up my kitchen counter. I love to have my kitchen counter as clear as possible. And this looks big. Okay, yes. It's not too big, but it comes well secured. Styrofoam at the top and at the bottom. Alright. And Ninja is a trusted brand. It's not a paid commercial, but it's a trusted brand.
Wow.
Let's unbag it. Woo! So this is the Ninja. I don't know how to use it at all. I won't read the instructional manual, guys. Guess what I'm gonna do? Just go on YouTube. Yes. Just go on YouTube. I guess this is the opening.
Oh yeah, I think so.
Oh, it's secured.
I think so. Yeah. I put me that. Open now.
Okay, so this is where you. Oh, where you put the chicken and
Give me that.
or the food, and it's kind of small. Kind of small. I expected to have a bigger cooking area. But yeah, because you don't think that it's small. It seems small.
I guess.
Yeah.
But then they don't want you to eat too much.
It seems small. All of this big machinery, I thought the cooking space would be bigger, just like a little pot. See?
Mama will
See
see it.
the size of it.
And the
This is
Ninja
how much
is
cooking.
so valuable. And the one is the Ninja.
Okay guys, so here are some features of the Ninja air fryer. It says guilt-free fried food, up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, super fast airflow for even heating and crisping, easy to clean. It has a 2-layer non-stick coated pan. So what's included in this package is the main unit. That's the heavy machinery that helps to power the air fryer, and you have the multi-layer rack which increases your dehydrating capacity. It has a 2-layer non-stick crisper plate which allows hot air to get under food for all around crisping, and a 2-layer non-stick basket. 4-quart capacity, perfect for families, fits 2 pounds of French fries. So it also has a recipe book, guys, which I am interested in. I'm going to see what recipes in there I can try. And I'm just excited to try out the air fryer.
Yeah,
Yay! You too? Yes, we are all excited.
We are all excited, guys. Yeah! Yeah!
So guys, if you're interested in purchasing an air fryer just like this, a link is below in the description box. You can just go to our description box right below this video and click that link and purchase your air fryer.
Yeah.